Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Every couple has a story, and we are here right now at Sakabudoy Mountain Resort, and this is located in Gihulngan City, Negros Oriental. And look at the birthday boy. Say hi guys!
Hi guys!
And he's very happy because this is one of our treat for him on his birthday, and he not expected that we be coming here today. So he be celebrating with his family and friends, Virgil, and hopefully that he will having a wonderful birthday, right, Virgil? And
you bring my goggles?
Yeah, I bring your goggles, and he's excited to go swimming. Virgil, before we swim, we're gonna take some picture first.
On your hotspot.
Okay, wait, so I'm gonna do some vlog. So my family and friends are already here. They're at the back right now. So we're gonna rent these cottages here. It's nice, like a bamboo house, bamboo cottage. Ha? Palit to taad to. Nara mo ibaligya tubig dire. And magpalit diri ra dapat og soft drinks kay na may corkage. And we bought some foods, and the drinks we just buy it here because they have some restaurant here that we can buy some drinks, because if ever we bring some drinks, they have some corkage, you need to pay for the corkage, and so we're just buy the drinks here. And also we've been trying their foods here before, and we love it. It's good and it's very affordable. And also they have a lots of extensions this time, so it's been I think 4 years ago that since last time we visit here. So they have a lots of cottages that you can rent in this resort. So I'm gonna show you later the restaurant there at the top, and also the foods. They have some big menu on their restaurant. Palihog ko dito, dala ninyo, day, sa ubos. And we have a lots of foods here. Daddy, just wait for Mommy Giselle. They're downstairs, over there in the parking. Virgil, help them to carry the stuff, please. Please. And this is the cottage that we rent. Bayad, asa mo bayad, ma'am?
Pwede na later, ma'am.
Sige, sige. Kaya mo sa i-make sure kinsay maligo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is our cottage that we rent. And palihog lang kog arrange ana ninyo, ma. And hopefully that everybody will be enjoy. This is like a quality time with my family and friends, because it's been a while we've been having some quality time with them, like go swimming, because we've been busy there in the chicken coop in our chicken farm. And so I'm gonna show you guys around here, so stay tuned. So this is our bamboo cottage that we rent. So I'm gonna show you the view of our swimming pool. Daddy, you're gonna go with Daddy there because we're gonna pick up Rain. So this is their swimming pool here in these sides. It's like an ocean view also, because you can see the ocean from the distance. Look at that, how nice it is. Yes, see how nice it is. I'm gonna do some video, okay? Please give time to Mommy, please. Virgil keeps saying, Mommy, I want signal, because he wants to play Roblox on his phone. We have no signal right now. And look at that. They maintain the cleanliness of their of the surroundings. It's very nice. They have only a small kiddie pool here in this side. This is the kiddie pool, and the other side is for the big one. How many foot is that, Virgil? How many feet?
Can you tell them?
Okay, I'm gonna ask.
So that maybe it's only 3, but I will.
Pila naka feet dirate? 4 feet? 4. Then you can have their gym.
ko 4.6 man ko.
So how nice it is. So over there on the top they have the restaurant. So
Food and drinks, ma'am.
mm-mm.
If you want to extra order.
So last time we've been renting this cottage here. Pila gani siya nga cottage? 1.5 mao na siya katong kuan. Diha man pa mi nag-rent sa una.
Oo, yes, ma'am.
So this one over here. That's where we celebrate the birthday of my mama last time. And look at that, how nice it is. Nice. Very nice. So we'll be having some wonderful time here in the swimming pool. So I'm gonna go back there. I'm gonna check my family. So my husband right now, he's there in the van because we're gonna pick my friend and her daughter and mama, because it's like 10 minutes walking distance from here to the highway. So we're gonna pick them up over there in the highway because they've been riding some bus. It's nice here, very peaceful. So right now we're just the only customers, so it's exclusive for us, guys. Okay, get some plates there. Mingga, palihog ko kuha ni Dudong day, kagigutom na. So right now it's exclusive for us. There's no other guests, other customer here. So we're just only here right now. So the entrance here is 50 pesos. Then if you go swimming, you add 50 pesos. So if you not go swimming, it's only 50 pesos. Oh. So it's really worth it because the area is so nice, so peaceful, and it's overlooking from the ocean. And it's just so peaceful here. Even my husband loves here. And Virgil is hungry, so he's gonna eat lunch because it's already 10. So he's not eating a lot of breakfast this morning because he's been excited and he's hungry right now. So we're eating lunch now, early lunch, and I'm gonna show you all our foods for today. Willie, unsa ni mong gikaon? What did you eat, Willie? So we have this native chicken here. Native chicken. And this is the breaded shrimp. And this is our kakanin. We have some puto cheese. Some unsa ni siya mingga? And di man ni siya puto chicken, ni puto cheese ni siya. This is the puto cheese and puto kuchinta. And this is the pobilichi, leche. And we have that milky fish or bangus and grilled pork chop. And we have this seaweed. And we have some rice, cake. So enjoy eating. And Virgil is over here in the other side of the cottage. What you got, Virgil?
Pig.
Pig. You have no pig. You have no roasted pig. It's pork chop. Grilled pork chop. And rice. Orange juice. Jill, after you eat langga, you gonna cover this one, huh? Then mommy gonna eat this one, okay? Yeah. You finish with this?
I'm done.
Ay ranig ko anak, ako ranig gamiton kaning nga sauce. So they gonna go swimming soon. So I'm still waiting for my friends. They're still about 20 minutes for the arrive here. So I'm gonna pick up them soon. They're gonna be here around 10 minutes now. So we'll see you guys later. So stay tuned. So Virgil and his friends are enjoying the swimming pool here at Sakabudoy Resort. So you can see it's exclusive to us because it's just the guests here. There's no other guest, so it's exclusive for us, guys. My phone is a little blurred. It's so hot today, really hot. Pia!
Hello, guys.
So nice in here. Very nice. You're enjoying. Jill, you enjoy? So nice in here. Hi! So this is one of the restaurant here in Sakabudoy Mountain Resort, Negros Oriental. It's nice. And this is where my mama have her 56th birthday. So nice in here. Oh, you can relax here. So you can see the ocean from here. Nice overlooking. Mas naa siya ikahangin diri kahit kuan ba. It's so open. So Virgil and his friends are still swimming. It's already 2 p.m. So the restaurant is on the top. So this one over here in the bottom, it's part of the restaurant also. You can order some foods here. Na may mga rooms dire? Na kay pag last time mong ari wa man tay mga rooms.
Last time. Wala na mo ka check in there atong una.
Wala.
Duha ka aircon, upat ka dili aircon. Sa taas.
Tagpila pod.
Ang aircon na mo is 2.5. Good for 2.
Dito sa taas, no? Ay, pero pag last time nakakuan mi pero wala pa siya nahuman. Nakakita mi ba pero wala pa siya nahuman.
Karon na
so they have some rooms that you can stay overnight here. 2,500 good for 2 persons. It's nice. And their foods also here is very delicious, and Virgil tried their Hawaiian and my husband got some pepperoni pizza and he like it, and also the Hawaiian. Virgil loves it. And yeah, you can stay overnight here for 2,500 good for 2 persons. So nice in here, ocean view. You can see the Cebu from here, island of Cebu. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for the love and support and for watching my videos. So thank you so much for all the nice comments. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys. See you on my next video. So Virgil really had a wonderful birthday today. So thank you so much and God bless us all.